हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजर बंद न गा पाएंगे, कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे। हम बहता जल पीने वाले मर जाएंगे भूखे प्यासे, कहीं भली है कटुक निबोरी कनक कटोरी की मैदाशे। होती सीमाहीन क्षितिज इन पंखों की होरा होरी, या तो क्षितिज मिलन बन जाता या तनती सांसों की डोरी। नीर न दो चाहे टहनी का आश्रय, छिन भिन कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो आकुल उड़ान में विध्वन न डालो। So if you are coming to Connaught Place, you will get one more opportunity to visit Charkha Museum. It was inaugurated. It comes under Delhi Municipal Corporation, and it was inaugurated in 2017. If you are coming to Connaught Place, you must explore this area. It is one of the beautiful part of Delhi, which is known as Charkha Museum. As you can see, this museum is just above to Palika Bazar. Means if you are coming to Connaught Place, you will find three things. First, Central Park. Second, Charkha Museum, and another one is Palika Bazaar.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
As you can see, right now we are in Charkha Museum. It is just above to Palika Bazaar. I'm showing you the views of this Charkha Museum. It is really beautiful part. It is designed, aesthetically designed. You will find two beautiful things in Charkha Memorial. First one is Charkha. As you can see, that one is Charkha. And another thing, if you will go to another side, you will find Make in India symbol. So Charkha, the spinning wheel, is the most powerful symbols of Indian freedom movement. The Charkha is a symbol of our glorious heritage and an inspiring reminder of our freedom struggle led by our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. You can come here with your family, you can spend your beautiful times, and you can get a beautiful view.
Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun, feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no, keep running.
Another side, I found one of the glorious symbol, the symbol of lion, for Make in India has chosen very carefully, because a lion cannot be stopped. We are confident that our journey to make India a global manufacturing hub cannot be stopped, that to our own rules and regulations. In the Indian capital Delhi, there are several sites dedicated to the memory of the man to whom the poet gave the name of Mahatma, means great soul. Crafts that are part of our ancient heritage, and among these crafts, spinning and weaving held pride of place. Time was when the song of the spinning wheel and the rhythm of the loom were joyfully heard in every Indian home. And the beautiful fabrics woven in those ancient days were highly prized by our people. Not only by our people, for many of those fine fabrics crossed the sea around the world, helping India to become a prosperous nation. So finally we have covered all the places and I hope you have enjoyed.